Yes, in this video we'll see the experiment number 12, that is serial number 17. So develop a program which implements the concept of overriding. Practical significance: method overriding is used to change the definition of method in subclass. Runtime polymorphism is achieved through method overriding. Super keyword is used to call the parent class method or constructor. So method overriding means what? The method name and the parameters name in both superclass as well as the subclass are same, that is called method overriding. So that way will come which method is called during the runtime. You will come to know which method is called. That is also called, that's why it is called runtime polymorphism. So relevant program outcomes are same for all the practicals, and develop application using Java. The practical is expected to develop the following skills. Develop a program using super and subclass to override the methods. Develop a program using super keyword to override the methods to achieve the runtime polymorphism. And relevant course outcome: concept of inheritance is used for code reusability. Practical outcome which implement the concept of overriding. And same thing, relevant effective domain related outcomes are same: safety practices, good housekeeping, working as a leader or a team member, follow the ethical practices. And method overriding in Java, minimum theoretical background for this practical is what? Declaring a method in the subclass which is already existing in the parent class refers to as method overriding. Is it clear? So method in the child class or the subclass is already same method in the parent class. So same method in the parent class is called method overriding. The exact implementation in the subclass overrides or replaces the implementation in the superclass by providing the method that has same name, same parameters, signatures, and same return type as a method in the superclass. So we'll see how the method overriding is there. So this is the parent class. A is a parent class and B is a subclass. So in this A parent class, we are having the method display method. So no arguments, display method name is display, and calculate method is there. And here class A extends class B. Here in this data, display method is there. See here, this display method. What is the difference between this display and display? Both the method names are same. So it is called method overriding. And calculate, here also calculate method is there. Here also calculate method there. This is called what? Method overriding. We'll see the example. Demonstrate the use of overriding method display using super and subclasses. So here example is there. Book is there, no? I will open this. Open. It is not book. Main class method is what? Book info, I think. Main method is there, class is there, book info. Book info is there. So I have to open this book info.java file. See here, class book is there and string author, title and publisher. Here book constructor we have made, and here three variables we are passed. These are the constructor variables. These are local variables. These are concerned to this constructor only. So we are assigning these constructor variables into class variable. Author, title, publisher are the class variable or instance variables. So we are assigning these variables to class variables and then close the constructor, and here display method is there. In this display method, we are printing the book author, title and publisher. And after that, we are having the subclass, that is book info. Book info class, book info. How to do the inheritance in Java? Using this extends keyword. Extends followed by the superclass name. This is the book info is the subclass and it is a superclass. So in this subclass is having its own variables, that is a price and stock. Then we are creating the object constructor of the subclass book info. Book info contains all these parameters of the superclass parameters as well as its own parameters. So the data type and data type should be same as the string A, string B and string C, and then integer, int. For price we are taken one more variable and stock we take one variable, and after that we are using the super keyword. See here, super keyword is there. Super keyword is used to call superclass constructor in the subclass constructor. Which is a superclass constructor? So book is a सुपर क्लास कंस्ट्रक्टर. ये कंस्ट्रक्टर को ये सब क्लास का कंस्ट्रक्टर में कॉल करने करेगा तो you have to use this super keyword and followed by this same parameters series. So A comma B comma C, and after that we are assigning these two variables to the instance variable. Price equals Z and stock equal D Q. And here display method is there, that is a what? It is overriding. So here also this book info is having the display method, and here superclass is also having the display method. So how to call this display in this display? Using this super keyword. So super dot display means this display method will be called. That means these three statements are coming in this what? In this method, and then in this display you are having these two statements. And then book info. How many parameters are there in book info? 5 parameters are there. We are passing these values: string, TextMax, Java. So and then stock, and then stock is there. This third parameter is about what? Publisher. Publisher name, and then this price and the stock, and B1 dot display, B2, B3 dot display. So like this three values we are passed. So we run this program. Java C book info dot Java. Java book info. So I'll run this here. Book author is TextMax and Java publisher AJ, and price is 123 and the position is 25. Like this all the three display methods are called. This display means what? Subclass display method is called. Okay, we have created the object of this subclass. So subclass object through display method को कॉल, subclass का display method को कॉल करेगा. Subclass का display method में superclass का display method को भी हम लोग कॉल किया. That's why these three statements are seeing here, and these two statements are from this display method. Is it clear? Yes. So this is the output. So that will complete this EXP 12.